My Beauty, and today I'll be sharing with you how to use our magnetic eyelashes. Now the first thing you want to keep in mind when using magnetic eyelashes is to not get frustrated and don't give up. Using magnetic eyelashes is just like any other makeup skill. It takes a little bit of time to get used to, but once you figure it out, it's actually quite easy. Now the lashes that I will be using today for this demonstration are the Sassy lashes. So these ones are a little bit more of a dramatic lash, but if you're someone who wants to wear a more natural everyday lash, we have lots of options for that as well. Now when you get your lashes, you're gonna have 2 rows of lashes. The ones on top here are the strip lashes that will be going on the top part of your lashes, and the little pieces underneath are the ones that are gonna be connecting underneath your lash line. Now if you look at the back of your lash, you actually have 3 magnets on the lash. There's one on this side, one on this side, and one in the middle. That is where you'll be adding in these magnets. So the magnets are on the back of this strip, and the magnets are on the top of these pieces. So I've brought you nice and close up to my face so you can see exactly how these lashes are applied. And as you can see, I already have my eye makeup on. So if you do want to wear any eyeshadow, any liner or mascara, put that on first before you put on your false lashes. Now to start, what I'm going to do is grab this piece right here. When I apply these lashes, I like to almost tilt my head this way so I can see underneath my lash line. So the first piece you're going to want to attach is the middle piece, because that's going to hold the lash in place and allow you to put in the other pieces at the other ends of your eye. So I have my middle bottom lash ready here, and what I'm going to do is place this over my eye like this, and what we're going to do is try to get it as close to the lash line as possible. Now I am going to go in with my next piece of lash. I like to use the most dramatic piece for the outer edge of my eye. I like to pull this as close to my lash line as possible and then attach the magnet. Now we're going to go in with the last piece right here. Hold the lash as close to your eye and attach the bottom magnet. And now you have one lash on. So now let's do the next eye. So again, I'm going to grab the piece on the top here. I'm going to choose the middle piece for the bottom, right here. We are going to hold the lash up, and now you're going to take the bottom and then stick the magnet like that. Now again, we're going to take the outer corner lash, pull the lash as close to the lash line as possible, and stick the magnet. Last lash here, pick that one up, hold the lash as close to your lash line as possible, and stick the magnet. And your other lash is on. So now both my lashes on, everything looks great, it blends in so nicely with my makeup. So again, the key points that you want to remember is it's going to take a little bit of practice to get it, but once you get it, it is quite easy. There are some key points that you want to keep in mind when applying your lashes. Number 1, you want to make sure you get your top lash as close to your lash line as possible, so when you click the magnet, it looks as natural as you can get it. The next thing you want to do is make sure that you put the bottom middle lash on first, because this holds the lash into place and it makes it so much easier for you to attach the outer end and the inner corner of the lash. Also remember that these are magnets, it's not glue. So if you don't get it the first time, you just peel it off and try again until you get it. If you need to rearrange the lash, if you put it too close to the inner corner or too close to the outer corner, then you can easily adjust that. It's not the end of the world. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope it made applying magnetic eyelashes so much easier for you. If you're interested in trying My Beauty magnetic eyelashes, just check the description box below as I have posted the link there for you. I hope you have a fantastic day.